when you talk about the Mercedes S-Class, you're talking about the flagship sedan, for the brand. And historically, this is the vehicle where Mercedes introduces its newest technology, the engineering, the luxury, and features before they make their way to the rest of the lineup. But honestly, what immediately separates this specific S580 from the average S-Class is just the spec. So this one is finished in the very rare MANUFAKTUR Signature China Blue, which is, again, a very rare and expensive factory paint option for Mercedes. Most S-Classes are ordered in the black, white, or gray, or silver. So this one is an S580, and they do come in an S500 trim, which is a 6-cylinder. The S580 is the V8. There is a S580E, and that's the plug-in hybrid. Now, this one is extremely well equipped from the factory. So it has an original MSRP of over $160,000. So that's pretty, it's got a lot of options. I'm about to run it down for you. This one does have the optional 20-inch wide multi-spoke wheels, which fit, the luxury look of the S-Class perfectly. And inside, I'll show you that this one does have the upgraded, Black Nappa leather with the piano lacquer flowing lines of the trim wood. And then this one, it has the warmth and comfort package. This one does have the 3D technology package, which gives you the heads-up display, the 3D display screen. This one does have the rear executive seat package on the car. And they also have the rear entertainment system. Again, not too common, but this one is a very nicely equipped vehicle. And again, hey, what are your thoughts on just the overall specs? Here, I'm going to show you the inside of the car, inside the cabin. All right, I'm inside the S580 now, and one thing, you can see the steering wheel. It's got that very clean, very modern design. Let me go ahead and crank her up. See, you can see how everything lights up. Now, you can see the screens illuminate. This one does have, again, the heads-up display. Here, let me show you one of the coolest details on this car. And that's going to be the Burmester, the high-end 4D sound system speaker. So when the vehicle starts, actually, when you put on the volume, the metal speaker grill actually rises out of the dashboard, which is just awesome. It's an awesome luxury touch and something you don't really see often. And again, this is just not just a normal sound system, the 4D sound system. So you can actually feel the music in the seats. So, again, nice luxury touch here. And then, honestly, the comfort is really where the S-Class separates itself. Mercedes spends years engineering these seats specifically for long-distance comfort and reduced fatigue. So between the multi-console seats, the massage functions, the heated ventilated seats, this is where extreme comfort exists. And I do have this vehicle available. If you would like additional details on this one, check out my video description. Again, I'm Xavier. Thank you for watching.